Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's a FreeCAD 2-minute quick tutorial series. In today's video, we are going to learn about the Additive Loft tool in Part Design Workbench of FreeCAD. Let's get into the content. Just open FreeCAD. The FreeCAD version I'm using here is 1.1.2, which is the latest one while I'm recording this video. Once FreeCAD is opened, just click empty file. We have to create a body to draw our sketch, so click new body and a new sketch. We will get a workspace with the three planes. We have to select the plane in which we want to draw our sketches. I select XY. For quicker understanding of FreeCAD Additive Loft tool, I'm going to make a funnel so that we can easily understand the Additive Loft. For that, in our first sketch, we have to draw a small circle, which is the base edge of the funnel. Let's say the diameter is 10 mm. We have to make another sketch with another circle. Click new sketch. This circle is middle diameter of the funnel. Okay. Let's say 12 mm diameter. Then we have to add third sketch, which is the widen area of the funnel. Click new sketch. Draw wide circle. Diameter will be 50 mm. Okay. So we have made three sketches with three circles of various diameter. Now we have to position these sketches at various heights. Then only we can use Additive Loft tool. First sketch, the sketch, simply sketch. It must be 0th position of y-axis. It's already there. Okay, no need to change that. Click sketch 1 and position it to 25 mm from base. Type 25 here. Okay, then sketch 2, this wide open circle. Okay, click sketch 2 and again 25. It's 25 mm above middle diameter. Okay, now we have three circle at various distance of y-axis. If we want to make additive loft, we have to select all these three sketches. First select this one, press Ctrl and hold it, select the second one and third one. Now we have selected all three sketches. Just click this additive loft button. Okay, now we get a shape like funnel. See, it's almost a funnel like shape, but still it's not a perfect funnel because funnel is not curved here. It will be a ruled surface, so we have to click ruled surface here. Check this tick box. Okay, then press OK. Now we have made the funnel perfectly. Now we have to put a hole in this funnel. Click the top surface and click this button, which is thickness tool. I will explain this tool in upcoming videos. Just click OK. Now we got perfect funnel. This is how Additive Loft work. If you found this video helpful, put a like and share your ideas in comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.